beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic na about and stainless matter wey just dey go on for social media ever since. I no really like the way Abat they behave sometimes. Sometimes Abat go just talk, it go just make sense. Everybody could hail am. But what you can see do, Jonah will go tire everybody. You understand? Abat, remember as stainless stay fight for you. Abat, remember as stainless stay carry talk back for head. That period then, Saga full social media. Stainless not talk put. He carry this Obaseki matter, he carry a put for head. No matter what you call happen now, what you call they call a betrayer, it's not good. Because you can't be like say you kill her for good. You understand? But Stainless really fight for you. He fought for you. No matter say if they smoke a boy, if they do anything, but Abat, the way Stainless say carry the matter, me I don't feel even do that kind of thing itself. But Stainless carry him like seriously. Even that period, he print t-shirts, he do so many things, talk bad with the year for a man. To anybody talk against Obaseki, Stainless go insult him. I remember when I don't know what he did on talk. Stainless insult and not be small. Stainless no one here say you even talk, say Obaseki not go win. That period, you understand? No matter what, you have to still remember the good time. The time when the city fight for you, you understand? You still remember, Now so, okay, ma put the video where Sister Rita see do concerning this matter, my darling people. More na see what she talk for the matter too. Before I go leave on a comment.
Come pass a message. When you make me come sit down, listen to that video, we Stainless do. I listen to her. Everything from the beginning to the ending. I listen to that video. The point, when I tell you listen to that video, now I want to narrate for here so because my people more not listen. This one is my own opinion. When you are giving your opinion concerning something, when you don't have a personal problem, a personal issue with that person, somebody like Abat and Stainless, I don't have personal issue with them at all, 100%. But when you they give your, now they disturb me, they talk. But when you they give your opinion, this audio, I can't receive it for Stainless. After I don't receive it, this audio push me to say go and listen more to waiting the grant between the both of them, waiting the happen. Go listen more. This very audio, when I want to play, so now it push me. It's not a private audio, no. Because Stainless also talk about it on her own live video. So when I post that thing this afternoon, some people they say, Rita inbox and for inside inbox na private. No, it wasn't private.
More than listen, no.
Ọ̀rọ̀ mi tẹ́ dọ́gba tẹ́ wé gbá tẹ́ kọ̀kọ̀ gbé amáwọ̀ màmá gbọ̀. Mẹ́nà wà múru mẹ́ lọ́nà náà hẹ́nu nù mẹ́wé náà lánàá sí yóò ṣe rè mẹ́. Á tí ẹ bá nánà mẹ́jọ bọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà wò. Àwùjọ bọ̀ náà wà dátọ̀ wọn wà dẹ́. Ẹ̀rọ mọ̀ náà ẹni gbé àkáwọ́ tó ẹ̀dọ́ gọ́vnù náà rẹ̀ aṣọ Obaseki. Ọmọ àwùjọ bọ̀ mẹ́lẹ́ yá mẹ́ọ́. Abati na ga eyo mobo. Imazuwu, imagui, imagbina. Politics ire, campaign na dore. Ina le yave neti mese, ina kubokugbe. Nere ya mudani governor me, no meke na we go manati o ma we Nigeria do we gudo gu ye we campaign, ona we se wa kokoko wa we neti mese. So kwa pano ina mo ve ma party de kini do Abati we no gba no. Any mo gbe se any lugo se Abati mage 15 minutes later pe gbogbo pa weta na yi ni godun ya sojeje we ni me. Ima ve gbe na ina ze gbe. Palliative ire awo gba so awo ko so e. Ba Abati ka ere ba wo kun re ba. Ona so no me ina gwe kun. Ona la je ona temi kita. Ela wa mo e ko no re yo wa o e kita runda ebe ni me ijo mo Erioko ni eri yogwa ejobo. Okpa no riogo ni je no riogo no ko riogo riogo ni tio ni ko. Ekpa mi sikan pa mi hewo ko wi wi. Eri o veje obi e ba kave e kavoma. O ga gera vi jo so wa e katagbura gbujero. Rudana ni abati na do ya me ya ko horobi. Okiata bidagbo bewo ya gbe Ọgwụ agwụ na-atọ nwa n'ọvamegbe nọrọ oge yọmegbe social media na ọgwụ mmene na ọgọma yọmegbe ladisi amata ya gbọ n'obi okpere n'obi jọ na mụ na-abịa badesowa edo ọgwụ mmụ ọnwụ ka owe ọwọ nwa amamaghị ike asụ ne nwa n'ọgwụ amamaghị jọ ụdawe na jena obere ma ya etiri ihe abịa ya tie uwe gị na soke ya ngwa ya dami ore ọwesi
So my people, because of say now settlement and waiting I believe now they do, I stopped that audio for there because she versed the cause. I don't want me I play that one for public. But before that place, she talk with Vesa. We make her come out again for public on the talk. But taking a women's testable, Emi Akwase, Kina women's testable, my people. If politics they grand, you must know, say, this very person, you go let me use to help my people. This very person, you must let me use to help, or it will help me during this campaign. This one will help me during this campaign. Before Abat meet Stainless, say Stainless, come help for this campaign. You don't already sit down for a share for his ass. Look and say, you go good for this area where. Now make me tell you now before say, no one is completely useless in this life. You get where you for good, where another person also good too. So Abat look and say, you go good for here. You not go good for here. Now I make and tell and say come because maybe the way Stainless they do ba. If they wear hats, if they wear this one, if they wear all those one, come they draw your face, they paint and blue and black. Maybe if not me, I not go fit do one because I not sure say I go fit enter that level where I come they paint my color. I don't know whether I will fit reach that level. Come they use the B and all these things. They do one, which is. That thing, when Stainless do that time, if Stainless no, it's supposed to know, say that thing will cost them big thing in the nearest future. Lack of confidentiality. Lack of confidentiality. Or man, a confidence in me. They there, as a governor of Edo State, time I wear a burial redo. Honor yemi, honor yenwe. All he follow, all he here, he big or small, you say thank you. You hold that thing. You give the person who wanna follow go. All these things be done pass so in ayate brane. That kwe shuki. Ona woregbe do new. Nana mi again Naija watching interview and know that agmoya woregbe do atare. You come the verse again they say. Okay, Edwin Edigin. All right. You come they make and they remember say this one, that one. You say you should remember that Abat can never forget Stainless because she lied against Abat. I know argue one. You don't forget her. But one person lie against you, what's why not see you no making a yasin? No making a lie, sorry. Because any mention, my woman about women. Una aritangume yari enwe, waritangume yari enwe. Ime to come any no real water, they don't know arena, no na watana, our face on ona. And then Abat now going away with Sagabi Facebook. Or what faces Sagani? Who was Sagani? You're gonna feel a bullet, so my people. You're gonna feel a bullet. Igban, or gonna indirectly a bullet in this Stainless. Which means, or what if I'm town going to be a money? Or I don't go one or little time in Moha. Bohonin or Roland, Bohonin or the Netherlands, Bohonin or Netherlands. Of your mental Labdian for some time, but when I was giving her. How about you have done a good work in a dosage, which I commend you 100%. I commend you. Anybody will not talk, say not commend you for that work. You will not say you not like better thing. And because of that one, you are supposed to win big contracts and big money. When time I went when in the stainless ya setting or you wear at stainless, now we not do which bone. On a gilly Latin. He might not do that. He might decide to assist in another way that he chooses to say he want to assist. So, because of comments when I read for social place, when I go bribe, when I share the money, I want to debunk this right now in this live video to say, you don't have any evidence, although